Hey guys, Greenbird here. Got another point, another small point. Almost fits on the quarter. Little birdie point. And this is made out of Novaculite. It's got a little fishtail to it. And yeah, it's not a bad little point. I could half this or put on a necklace. I do whatever I need to do to it. Very cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. What I should do with this. If I should haft it or put it on jewelry or put it on an arrowhead or whatever I should do with it. Alright, thanks guys. Dozies and Kelly, signing out.